a beautiful day. I'm looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. It's a really beautiful day here right now. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling excited. It's warm. And so today I thought I should do something that I haven't done on this hair that much. So since I cut my hair, I've kind of just been relieved with the fact that I don't really have to do much to it since it just kind of sets itself. But today I'm actually going to do curling video. I was going through my old videos yesterday and I saw the one where I'm curling my blonde hair and it came pretty down to here. Anyways, and I'm like, I haven't done it on this hair and I'm feeling it's going to like bounce up a lot, which is what I'm going for. I kind of want like an afro vibe, like an afro, super textured, big bouncy look. I want to try that today. So I got my curler here. This is by NUME. I bought it a while back. And I don't really use it because I prefer straighteners to curl hair. But I like this because it's quite a thin end and it's really hot, so I'm not gonna touch it. But basically it kind of tapers down to a real skinny end. I don't know the dimensions exactly, but it's skinny over here, but it's not here. And this is what I'm going to be using to curl my hair today. I hope it's going to give me what I want. I just washed my hair, I put in some leave-in conditioner and absolutely nothing else. So this is raw, I didn't do anything to it except dried it roughly. Lipstick. So yeah, it's not really a tutorial, mostly just like I'm curling my hair and recording it. I think I'm going to be doing a bunch of alternate curlies just so I get like a more tousled look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just alternate them from whatever. Yes, this gorgeous thing is from Romwe.com. It's cute, it's like a turtleneck thing and I got it a while ago and I don't think I ever filmed it, so. Where is the music? I want the music to play. I can't see.
So bright, I don't wanna lose that somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody.
My arm is royally tired. The sun has found me yet again. The sun is always here. I'm feeling my sass. I don't know what to do with it though. Ta-da, guys! This is my sass style. Let's call it a sass style. I like it. Okay, it's different for Stella, but I like it. I'm digging it. Here's my take on the kind of super curly, almost afro style. Probably not afro style, but super curly hairstyle. I know I don't really do that many styles for curls, and I know that a lot of my viewers have in fact curly hair. I'm feeling it. Oh wait, I want to try something. I mean, it's a look. Oh there, it's fine. I'm not actually mad. I actually like it. This is so cute. I actually like it. I like this. Oh my god. My curler just burnt a hole into my heat resistant mat, and I'm kind of confused since it says right here it's heat resistant, and now I've got a reasonably sized hole on my heat resistant mat, and I'm trying to figure out how that works, but happens. Oh, look at this hat! I feel like a poodle. I feel like The Weeknd. I feel quite abnormal to be. Look. Hey guys, my name is Stella. Hey, how goes it? Look at my, oh my god. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.